In this episode, we're going to install two-stroke Yamaha flywheel. So installing the flywheel is pretty simple. The trickiest part about the flywheel is you got to make sure you keep track of this little woodruff key. So I'm going to just put a little grease, a notch in your motor. You got this little D-shaped thing. You stick it in there. Bang. You want to take the base. Take the base and set it on there. Fits right over top of your bearing. Somebody's breaking glass on the street. Why is it not sliding?
You gotta. It's not.
There. All right. Snaps right in.
There we go.
So just be gentle with these magnets and try to pop it. Like I just did.
So do you remember which way they went? Is that
No, the wire can't go on top like that.
No. All right, perfect. I was just asking.
Look, see? Yeah, so see there's a little notch here. It can only go one way. So if you have it the right way, that's the way it goes.
Yeah. Wait. Oh.
Magnet thing. Why does it feel so tight? What's this thing called? Anybody know what this is called? Comment below. What this little piece right here is called. It's like it measures the flywheel from the outside. Something about timing, ain't it? How we put the flywheel on? The woodruff key is still in place.
This is the plug, so that makes sense.
Woodruff key there. Flywheel is on.
Is that on properly? Oh yeah, it's gotta be. You can see where the key is, but it's not.
It's not. Isn't it leaning?
It's not on yet.
We're gonna run our wires so that nothing is interfering with the operation of the flywheel. It's gonna be spinning up there. You don't want your wires to get caught in it. Right? Maybe I should run outside the shop. Like that, right? All right. So look here's our wires. We gotta hook these up. It's pretty easy. It's paint by numbers. This square one goes into this square one. Click.
Triangle goes to triangle.
Triangle goes to triangle. And then green goes to green. Where's that green at?
I saw it.
Here it is. And then you want to just take and just make sure all your wires are routed so that they're not interfering with anything else. Green to green. Bam. I'm going to tuck these back here. All this stuff looks like it's pretty tucked in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kyle, you can cut this one off. We'll grab me this side. Alright, now we got that one cut off. We're going to zip tie all this out the way. At least I think that's what that's for. I'm not going off the book anymore. I'm tired of going off the manual.
Yeah,
The book is too slow.
if something messes up.
Well, we'll just cut our tag in. Flush. Ah, so satisfying. Alright, what's next? What's next? Here, let's tighten this up while we at it then. Oh, what are these three for? We never torqued down the flywheel, Kyle.
Yeah. You haven't even put the nut on it.
Alright, where's the... Alright, so now we're going to do the flywheel nut. We got a little out of order. I started cinching everything up. We're going to torque the flywheel nut down. I just went inside and saw what the torque spec was supposed to be. So you got your washer here. Put your nut on.
And do those two screws go in there?
No, they go on the flywheel shut, the cover.
Oh.
Put your flywheel on.
So what are those screws?
Those are the pullet. That's the puller.
Oh.
You put those screws in there to pull it. But I broke one off and I was trying to take it. I had to go get the other style puller. All right, I'm gonna need you to do this one, Kyle.
Why?
115 foot-pounds. All right, here. We're gonna do this the hood way.
What's the real way?
You got this thing, this strap that you put on it. This is how I got it off, so this is how we're gonna get it back on. This is what he showed me. Take some wire. Run through here. Oh, it tells you right there. It's torque, 16. So which way I'm trying to go?
I'm trying to go the other way. Right?
Huh? So I need to hook it on this one?
There's another one?
I'm trying to hook it.
Yeah, you need to go the other way, right?
Yeah.
No.
Hmm?
That's you going the right way.
Yeah,
Right?
I'm turning it this way.
Right.
So I need to secure it this
You
way.
need to hook on the other way. Well, go. You gotta go the other way. You gotta bring it all the way around, right? No, hook it on the right hook, not the T.
No, that's not a hook.
This thing? You don't hook it on that?
Yeah, but you can't hook it on that if you're going that way.
There's two of them. No, this
But
one
they
go.
go in the same direction. Aren't they? Watching his stuff.
This is
This is not Vanguard, this is New Orleans.
much more than 15. Much more than 115.
Yeah, we're supposed to be getting 115 foot-pounds of torque. You think a hanger can withstand that?
Yes. That knot is tight now. Wait, stop.
What?
You've been in the
The hook hanger?
the hook hanger.
I'm bending that?
Yeah.
Do you think that's 115?
Yeah, I think so.
Can you loosen it by hand? Oh, wait.
Not like that.
Wait, keep coming around. Wait. Come back here. Wait, come back this. A little hood engineering for the last final bit.
It's not gonna come off, is it?
I don't think so. We gonna be remember.
And it's just gonna be this thing.
You gonna put some Loctite on it?
Are you supposed to? Stop. Get off. Go away.
Loctite
Go
ain't
away.
gonna hurt
Go
you.
away.
Hold on,
Stop.
hold on. I just want to see if it. Wait, I'm gonna put it right here as a mark. That way we'll know if it moves.
Okay.
I don't think it will. Next thing, I guess I'm just gonna start putting pieces on now since I'm just
Let me
seeing
get
that move.
all of this wire hanger paint
What's
off.
Yeah.
Can't believe you bent it.
I bent it.
Yeah, it was bending. See the paint cracked in the inside?
So I'm just throwing this stuff on here just because it's in the way now.
Well, shouldn't you wait for the carbs to do that? Oh,
We been should have put that on here.
oh,
Remember how many times this fell off?
yeah. If we could do it. And then
So the final step in installing your flywheel is you just want to put the cover on. Make sure everything is lined up with the screw holes. And it's just 3 Phillip head screws. Get the fat one. Because those are some fat screws. Pretty easy. They got these little square things that can only go in one way. So you just tighten those up. Make sure it's lined up nice and pretty. Kyle, do you think this motor's going to run after we do all this to it? How long do you think it's going to run? How many more years of life do you think this motor has now?
one
Because of this amateur rebuild.
one trip
One trip and then it's...
and a toe back.
That's all you got? That's all your confidence is in our skill? Final screw of flywheel assembly.
Alright, they already have my name. I already registered it.
I want to thank you for watching this episode. It's getting dark on us, so I think we're going to stop here. The mosquitoes are starting to tear us up. If it's your first time watching one of these series, I want you to go back to the beginning and check out where we started when this motor was in 57 different pieces. Now it's starting to really come together. I think the only thing left we have to do put on here is the air box and the carburetors. And once we do that, we'll be ready to fire this thing up. We're going to stop here for the day. Tomorrow, put the carburetors on. I guess try to fire it up. Oh, we do have to put the lower unit on. Once we do all that, man, we're going to be fishing sooner than later. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the water, in the boat.